Fútbol.
Okay.
Nogomet.
Cristiano Ronaldo da.
Lisbona. Lisbona. Ronaldo.
Christoph Blum. Okay. Kappa. Naquele.
Carl. Chai.
Već kad pojmo samo zavem. Možete podoba.
When hearing Portugal, most of our schoolmates think of football and Ronaldo. Ronaldo is also the most well-known Portuguese.
Even none of our schoolmates has ever been to Portugal. They all know its capital. In Slovene, it is pronounced Lisbona.
Slovenian students think that the most popular hot drink in Portugal is tea.